I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. How about a trip down to Southeast Asia? If you can't make it yet, let's just have some Singapore Bee Hoon. First, add the dried shrimps onto the hot pan and then drizzle in some oil.
Makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel like we got something strong?
Next, put in the garlic, chilies, onions, carrots,
And the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you.
add in the fish cakes and the chicken breast meat.
And every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you.
Then we add in the prawns, button mushrooms, and the cabbage.
Come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here.
Sprinkle in the salt, add in the oyster sauce, ketchup, and also the brown sugar.
Miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive.
Now add in the tomatoes, the bean sprouts, put in some water, and then add in the Bee Hoon. Bee Hoon, also known as rice vermicelli, is a fine rice noodle available in Southeast Asian grocery stores. When you buy it, it is hard, therefore you need to soak it to make it soft.
I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
You should observe your Bee Hoon. If it is too dry, add in more water so that it doesn't stick onto the pan.
And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel like we got something strong?
Our Bee Hoon is ready. Just transfer it to the serving plate. Bonus track for today. We're gonna make some special topping for it.
Come as a surprise that with you I feel.
For the Singapore Bee Hoon topping, let's make some fluffy eggs for the fluffy Bee Hoon. First, you've got to crack some eggs in a bowl and put in some salt and pepper.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you.
Put a little bit of water into the hot pan.
Every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
Pouring the eggs into the pan and quickly scramble it.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise.
Add in the mirin.
With you, I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about.
Guys, this is how you fluff the eggs.
When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here.
So the eggs are the garnishing for the bee hoon, besides the lettuce.
It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you.
Squeeze in a bit of lime to give you a tangy taste and the sourness that we want. That's basically what Singapore bee hoon is all about. It's a bit sourish actually.
That with you I feel alive.
If you enjoy what I've just shown you, do give me a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and in the comments, tell me what you think of this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!